Hi, kindergartners. So I hope this math sheet looks familiar. We practiced doing this in class today. From your Wait for Teacher bag, you have a second one that we're going to do together now. So I need you to go grab your second one of these worksheets. We already finished the first one in class. So grab this new one. It's blank on the front and the back for us. Go grab yourself 2 crayons, your black crayon, and then one other color, and your pencil. Okay, then come on back, put your name at the top of your paper, and you're set and ready to go. I might be using my black pen because it's easier for you to see, but you'll be using your pencil to write in the equation, okay? All right, friends, we are going to be doing the same strategy that we were practicing earlier in the week with subtraction. We are going to use a 10 frame and drawing pictures to solve our subtraction problem. That's 2 strategies we're going to use. On Tuesday, we used one 10 frame, but we couldn't get any bigger whole numbers than just 10 because that's all we had room for. But today, we're going to work with bigger whole numbers because we are able to use 2 10 frames. So these 10 frames are much smaller than the ones earlier in the week. So I'm going to be using dots as my picture because it's just a little easier to do those quickly, okay? All right. I'm going to give us our first equation. Let's start with 11 minus 6 equals, or down in my math language, 11 take away 6 makes, Now write in your equation, kindergartners. That's your job right now. And then I need to take my color, and I need to start with my whole number. All right, I'm going to do dots because these squares are very little. And you know what? I'm going to do 11 really quick. I'm going to do 10 dots. I'm going to fill up my 10 frame. And then I'm going to put one more in the bottom one because 10 and one more is 11. So there's my whole number. You pick your crayon and do your 11 dots right now too.
Don't use marker because it will go through your paper. Use crayon, please.
Or you could use colored pencils because we know we sent those home with you too. So that'd be a nice fun tool you could use too. Okay, kindergartners, you know what's next. I need to minus 6 or take away 6. So here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you guys remember what we do next? We have to circle what we have left. That's important. I'm going to count. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh, what did you guys get? I got 5. Is that what you got? I hope so. I'm going to read my equation. 11 minus 6 equals 5. 11 take away 6 makes 5. All right, let's do one more together, and then I'm going to give you some equations. Let's do 12 minus 8 equals, or 12 take away 8 makes, All right, you guys know the routine. I'm going to draw my whole number first, and I have 2 10 frames. So I'm going to do it quick. I'm going to fill up my 10 frame with 10, and then I'm going to do 2 more to make 12. Because 10 and 2 more is 12. So I have 12 as my whole number. If you need to press pause while you put in your whole number as your pictures, do that now. And the next part, I have to subtract 8 or minus 8. So let me do that. I'm going to cross them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ooh. You guys know what's next. Circle what's left. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, what'd you guys get? I got 4. Did you get 4? 12 minus 8 equals 4. 12 take away 8 makes 4. All right, kindergartners, I am now going to give you some equations, and you're going to solve them. 15 minus 6 equals, You also write it down here. I'm not going to do that. You know how. 15 minus 6 equals 13 minus 9 equals So write those equations in, subtraction equation, and write it in your subtraction language. And then I'm going to turn it over. Press pause if you need to before it so you can catch up. I'm going to go to the back. Let's do 14 minus
10.
Minus 10 equals Or I'm going to do 13. Let me see which one I did back here. Let's do 13, take away 5 equals Let's do 16, take away 9 equals And the last equation,
Do 20.
it's going to be a hard one. 20 minus what, Miss Light? What would you like to do?
I'm going to make it different. 2.
Ooh, that might be a first grade problem. 20 minus 2 equals So don't forget, write it in your subtraction language as well, your math language. And then we want you to solve these problems just like we did on the front. This is how your paper should look. Your whole number should be in one color. What you took away should be crossed out in black. You should circle what you have left. And then you should fill in the answer for your subtraction sentence and your math language. Can't wait to see your math, kindergartners.
When you're finished, only take a picture of the back of your paper. We just want to see how you solved it using that strategy on the back. All right, we can't wait to see what great subtractors you're becoming.